So this video basically covers a numerical of standard costing. So basically before starting this numerical we should understand that what is the standard costing. So standard costing is basically that we need to set standards before doing any kind of production activities, and then we compare those standards with the actual activities in order to find the variance. If the variance is positive, we go with that activity, and if the variance is negative, then in such scenarios we try to bring a change in our methods of production. So basically we are studying only two types of variance. One is material variances and the another one is labor variances. So material variances we will see what actual standard of material we wanted to use, what actually we have used, and then accordingly we have calculated the variance. And in labor we see the changes in labor rate, the amount of labor we have thought to use and we have actually used. So in both the things we try to find out the variances. So similarly in this numerical which you can see on the screen, there are two types of activities are given, like product A and product B. These are the material standard rate, meaning 600 kg at rupees 5, and actual is 580 kg at rupees 5.50 for product A. Similarly in product B, it is given 90 kg at rupees 3 and 100 kg at rupees 2. So first we need to calculate the material variances. So you can see in material price variance, the formula is actual quantity into standard price minus actual quantity. So here standard price is rupees 5, actual quantity is 580, and actual price is rupees 5.50. So actual quantity 580, standard price minus this has to be actual price, not actual quantity. You can see this cursor moving. This is actual price. So 5 minus 5.50, it will give 290 adverse. Adverse mean it is like that our standard was less whereas the actual price was more. That's why it is called adverse. A means it's a negative. If it is F, it means positive. In the product B, you can see actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. In this, the formula is right. It is actual quantity, whereas it is actual price. So in product B, you can see 100 into 3 minus 2.80, which is 20 favorable. It means actual price was less than the standard price, meaning what we have, the way we have done a production, it is beneficial. Means F means favorable, A means adverse. So now second formula is to calculate material usage variance. You can see over here 2. The formula standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. So standard quantity is 600, actual quantity is 580, to 600 minus 580 into standard price. Standard price is rupees 5. So putting into the formula, we will calculate material usage is 100F, meaning the actual amount of material which we have used is less than the standard, meaning it is favorable. Similarly, we will calculate for product B using the same formula, standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price.